Hello and welcome. So I have a client who requested me to create for them a landing page, and they don't want the header and the footer to be appearing in their landing page. So this is their website. So I blurred their content here because I'm not authorized to share it. So anyway, so this is their footer, and on top you have the header here. Okay, so I'm going to show you like the landing page. So this is their landing page, and as you can see, there is no header, and if we scroll down, there is no footer either. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide the header and the footer in certain pages if you want to, and so on. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so I have this dummy store here with the theme Horizon. Okay, so there is no product in this store, so we're just gonna go see how you can change, how we can hide and show the header. First of all, let's view the store. So we can go to the contact page, we can go to the catalog page, and yeah, so let's say we want to hide the header here, for example. Okay, so now as you can see, we can view the header over here. We have the icons here. So let's go and see how we can hide the header here. So I'm gonna go to Horizon theme here, click on these three dots and look for edit code. I'm gonna open it, and so there you go. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this layout. Okay, let me zoom a bit for you. So we're gonna go to layout, and we're gonna look for theme.liquid. Once you are here, you're gonna scroll down and you will look for this div here. It doesn't matter which theme you're gonna have, at least you're gonna have this liquid code just like this. Sections, header group, and just below you have section footer group. Okay, so let's say we want to hide the header for this contact page here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here, we're gonna use an if statement. So we can do it this way. So we can say, we're gonna open this curlies with this percentage. We're gonna write an if statement, and we're gonna say if template. We're gonna use the template object here. So if this template, so this template, it's like representing these files here that you do have here. So this template object here is going to be reading these files here. So we're gonna say if this template is equal, and we want to look for this contact page here. But when you look at the link, you have /pages/contact. Okay, and the way it is done in Liquid here in Shopify, when you come to templates here and you look for contact, you see that there is a prefix of template, of page.contact.json. Okay, so we're gonna use the same structure. We're gonna say page.contact like this. Okay, so if it is true, we're gonna say else here, and let's say here, and if, let me just print some message here. We're gonna change the code in a couple of seconds. So we're gonna say hide contact page. So I'm gonna save, and let's go to our contact page. When we reload the page here, it's going to hide our our header here. Okay, and we have this little message appearing right here. Okay, so the effective way to do it is to use the unless statement. Okay, because it's like shorter. So what I'm gonna do, I will remove this else and this hide contact page message, and here I'm gonna say unless, and instead of and if, we're gonna say and unless here. Let me just correct my code here. The space. So unless this is true, then show this one. So as long as this condition is not true, the header group is going to be appearing in every page. And if this condition is true, then it won't show this, it's not going to read this part here. So if I save it and I go to check here, it's going to work the same. We're not going to have this message anymore. And there you go. So I can go back to the home page, and we're going to have the header appearing here correctly. Okay, so let's try, for example, this catalog. So the link here is collections/all. So we have the header here. So let's go. and we can just change the condition here. We can say just collection like this, and when we save it and we go to this catalog, we are already here. We have no product, but if I reload, it should hide the header. Okay, so you can go do the same for the footer if you want to, and it's gonna work in any type of themes. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.